Awesome. Can I please get a location for the scene? Sainsbury's in Slough. And can I get a relationship? Someone from the back. I love the fact that your head went, I'm not on my phone, you say, and no, I'm not. Can I get a relationship from the back? Sister. You two are beautiful, beautiful sisters. In a Sainsbury's. Are you ready, gents? Or lady, I should say. Have fun. Oh, okay.
Squeaky. Tanya.
Loretta?
This spotted dick isn't for me.
It's for my girlfriend. What? You have a girlfriend? Yeah, she's so tall and
good for me. She's good for me. How are you?
yeah, I'm also fine.
And dandy, fine and dandy is how I am.
Good, I'm glad to hear it.
Rebecca, how did you know?
Sure, use my middle name. Loretta. Thank you. Sorry. What is it, Tanya? Spit it out. Spotted dick back on the shelf. I saw Jeremy earlier. Jeremy?
That douchebag?
Yeah. Jeremy, how many spotted dicks did you buy? Monday, Tuesday, 7. Jeremy's dead. You went to his funeral! Oh my God! Yes. I officiated at his funeral. And he had a jury ceremony, which was a surprise.
Jeremy was Jewish?
No! No, it was all he could afford. What are you saying? He was stingy. Well, that's Jeremy. It's a bit of a stereotype. I don't approve.
So, did he say anything about me?
What, during the funeral? Yeah, you were mentioned.
No, I mean, like, in his will, was there anything left to me? I don't know.
Oh. Well, you mean because of that summer you had in Cabo?
Yeah, that summer. I know it was a special summer for you, but no, he didn't leave anything for you.
He just mentioned it and left nothing? That's really mean!
Well, there was one thing.
What? He left me his cat. Left you his cat? What about me? You don't like cats. I know, but I'm like, if he left a cat, I could, like, you know, skin it or something. Or something, I don't know. I skin all kinds of things.
Let's be honest, Loretta.
Tanya?
Jeremy knew that you couldn't take care of anything. You couldn't take care of him at all. And that's why him and I had the pussy arrangement.